It's fridge organizing day! So I'm sure by now we have all seen those incredible fridge restock videos. ASMR vibes, they're so satisfying, you just feel so good watching them. And I had a thought. I was like, what if I restock my own fridge, but instead of using those generic plastic containers, I scour Etsy to find the best of the best handmade, beautiful ceramic containers. So that's exactly what I did. So I'm gonna show you each one, and if you're into that ASMR type stuff, watch till the end because I'm gonna include a little section where I show them in use and it's gonna be very satisfying. So let's get started. Well, actually, first, can you just like and subscribe? Okay, thanks, let's go. So first, let's start off with this gorgeous sky blue little berry container. Now, if you're asking, Bridget, don't berries already come in a container? Listen, that's a great observation. If you're not picking berries from your own garden, then yes, they will. But that's not the point of this. The point is to have your produce in such beautiful containers that when you look at your fridge, I'm looking at my fridge right now, you are in awe. You feel so good about yourself and about the day, and also we are supporting makers in the process. So yes, this little sky blue one, I'm obsessed with the color. It's like a matte feeling ceramic, and it's perfect for little berries. I just love it. Now, if you want to go a little bit bigger, we have this medium-sized green one. I love the two-tone. We got the white on the inside, green on the outside. This has more of a glossy finish, and it also has these slotted holes so that your produce can breathe. And let me mention, if you're gonna wash your produce beforehand, which for me is the whole point, it's like prepare the produce so that when it's in your fridge, you can just take it out and, oh, I didn't know you were coming over. Here, have some berries. Make sure you dry it first because we don't want any mold growing here, right? Well, I don't at least. Now, if you want to go even bigger, this piece is really cool because it actually doubles as a colander. You can throw your produce in here, rinse it off, take it out, dry it, and if you want, you can store it in here too. It actually comes with this little dish to make sure that it's stable. It has little handles on the sides too. Super beautiful. I love this for something bigger like grapes. And let me tell you, having the black in there with the colors, it's such a nice touch. I really love it. And moving on to eggs, I am obsessed with this. It is a ceramic egg holder, speckled. I love the beautiful organic shape, and then it has just one gold circle, and I just think it's perfect. So if you get eggs by the half dozen, this is great. You could also obviously get 2 of them if you want to do a full dozen. And there are a ton of full dozen options on Etsy as well, but I had to get this one because I just love it. And finally, probably the most interesting piece, this is a mason jar topper. Its intended use is actually for propagation, which I think is really cool, but also I wondered, well, can I just use it for the herbs in my fridge? So recently I've started storing herbs in my fridge in water, and they last so much longer. So I was like, what if I use this on top of the glass, and that way you can put the herbs in the little holes, and when you're ready to use them, you can just pluck them out of each individual hole instead of having to like wrestle with all the stems to get out the ones you want. So I think it's super cool. The design work on it is so beautiful, and this comes in multiple colors too. All of the sellers are linked in the description if you want to go explore, but don't go yet because it's time for me to show these in use. Ready? Let's go. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna try not to shout because hopefully you're feeling very calm right now. But thank you so much for watching. Like I said, these are all from Etsy. The sellers are linked in the description. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you want more how-to content, and happy fridge organizing.